Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. What I'm doing today is I'm inspecting after an event if there are any contact, rub or anything with my new set of rims and tires. They're all 18 inch. This is an 18 by 11 front, and that's an 18 by 13 back. This has got a 315 30 tire on it, and this has got where are we here? Oh, right there, a 335 30 tire on it. Okay, Arrival S. So I'm not going to get into the offsets on these, but I will give you that information if you go on Corvette forum or if you post up a question. In the rear, there was like the tiniest of a rubber rub, and in the front, again, maybe the tiniest of a rubber run. I'm not really sure. Let me show you the car. This is on my C6 Z06. So on the front, where the 315 tire was, there's no metal rubs at all. No rim rubs. The tire, obviously, I've taken out the air duct because it will hit the air, brake cooling duct. So, forget about that. You got to take that off or cut it or do something. Here's a little bit of a rub. It might be when I'm at full lock in the pits. I'm not sure. There, maybe a little bit of a rub. I don't know. There, maybe, not sure. Everything I've seen so far I can live with. I did tape up the fenders, and there's nothing that touched the fenders on the front or the back, so I'm going to be taking that tape off. I might put some of that clear plastic protective stuff on there, but this was just a temporary thing. Nothing at all for the tires contacting the fenders. These are big tires. So in the back here, see on the upper control arm there, it looks like maybe kind of a rubber. I don't know. How could that be rubber? It can't really be rubber. It has to be. Yeah, it's smooth. There's nothing maybe a piece of junk got caught up there and rubbed between the rim, because the rim is here and then the tire is outside of the rim. Yeah, so this can't be a rubber rub, but it could be some little piece of something. I'll look on the other side. Anyway, let me finish. I'm going to put my stock rims and tires back on. By the way, this is easy. Just jack it up right there under the front jacking point and you can lift the whole side, okay? So I did find something that might be the reason there were some funny markings on one of the control arms. When the guy who mounted my tire obviously wasn't paying a whole lot of attention, and this piece of tape is kind of jammed in there. It's not affecting anything except it's just flapping around. I'm going to take a razor and carefully cut it off, and then we'll see if we get any markings next time I use these. Okay, let's look at the front right passenger side. So again, the brake duct, I took that off because I know that hits. So I'm looking up there, and some of that might have been from a previous setup that I had. I'm not really seeing anything over here. A little very small rub there, probably when I'm at full lock in the pit. full steering wheel turned. No, I think we're good. Good in the front here. Let's check the back. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to say we're good all around. So we'll get the original rims and tires back on here, and we're going to be done. Give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. See you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye.